going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another one, man. We got some fire right now. We got the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navies on deck. I'm about to give you guys a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos like these. Midnight Navies on deck. These are set to release October 29th. Big shout out to Chicago EMPORIUM. Their link will be in the description. If you guys need kicks, definitely go give them a follow. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the quality is, how they looking and stuff like that, and you guys can decide if you want to pick them up October 29th. We're gonna start off with the box, guys. Take a look. As you can see, we got the Jordan 4 box. Now this box is in navy blue, okay, in that midnight navy. You got the flight with the Jumpman. Now the military blacks came in the same box, but it was in black. This one is in the blue. Size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colorway is white midnight navy. Inside you got your regular speckle paper, and that is it. These will be a problem, guys. Like, the colorway on this shoe is very, very nice, man. I'm definitely happy to have these. I know you guys are gonna really like these a lot. Colorway is crazy. Everything about these is just A1. I'm gonna start off with the outsole. Navy, gray, and red in the bottom. Red Jumpman. Now the whole shoe just features a nice white leather upper. The leather is pretty good. Got a nice tumble leather. Now when you get to the front of your toe, you can see when I'm pushing, the leather is very soft. You got your white netting, white laces going up on the tongue. You got Jumpman in the navy, flight in the red, tumble leather on the tongue. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. I got some questions. People are asking me, does the speckles on the midsole have that navy? It is in navy. It's definitely not in black. All them speckles is in that midnight navy. On your midsole, you got your cement print following with the speckles in the navy. Like I said, clear air bubble unit, navy blue going towards the front, and I'm loving these. Your netting in the white, honeycomb eyelids in the midnight navy, and all tumble leather on the upper. You guys can see the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. All white tumble leather on the upper, gray on the midsole, white on the midsole, following with your blue going towards the front, white netting. You got your wing, honeycomb eyelids in the midnight navy. You guys can see, man. Take a look at the back. You can see all the speckles in the back in the midnight navy with the midnight navy Jumpman. Pull tab in the gray. Give you guys a quick close-up. Air Jordan upside down behind the tongue. Fire. I like that with the hits of red. You do got an all navy inner sole with the white Jumpman, white sock liner. Now these do give you cement 4 vibes, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's the midnight navy 4s, all right? So just all around a very, very nice colorway that they came out with. I love the hits of the blue. If I was gonna rate these guys, I'm gonna rate these definitely like a 7 out of 10. That's how much I like them. They're very, very nice. Like I said, they release October 29th. As for sizing on these bad boys, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. And yeah, I want to know what your thoughts are in the comment sections below. Let me know if this is a cop, is it a pass? I appreciate all you guys out there. Thank you all for the love and the support. We about to get into this on feet, man. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, subscribe. It's your boy DS Dan, man. Let's get into this on feet. I'm gone.